Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA, and we just love these basalt fountains, don't we? So we actually have a basalt here, but here's the special thing about the basalt. The basalt fountain, it's a pollinator fountain actually. It actually is going to allow birds, butterflies, pollinators to actually land on these ledges, and they'll be able to take a drink. But that's not all. This is a very special garden. We have this so that the water can generate and it can turn over and over again. We have a little bird bath here that's doing the same thing. It's a little pump so the birds can actually come, and if they want they can bathe. Check that out. And so it's running water, and then over here this water it comes out of a big tank out of here, and so there's an Awasa pump down there and an autofill. So once a day this actually fills up with water and it comes back here, so it recycles the same water over and over again. So water fountains, pollinator fountains, and jackhammer. Mike from Enviroscape LA, thanks for joining us. Take care.